Okay, so today we are going to test out this thing from teslify.se. It's supposed to go up here, and supposedly it should make a reduction of the wind noise. So we're going to test it out, and with me I have Fredrik.
Yes.
Yes.
You need to open the bag because you can't really see what's inside.
Can't see what's. You can see what's inside. Let's open the bag. Here it is. Yeah. So we're going to mount this, and we'll find out if it is any good or not. And we're also going to show you how to mount it because it's a bit tricky, I heard. All right. Let's test out the noise level first without this, and then we're going to test it again when we mounted this. Okay.
Okay, time to do some initial measurements. For that, we're really scientific, so we have this fancy sound level meter from Biltema, high quality stuff.
Yeah, you spent a fortune on that one, right?
Yeah, certainly. And here in the cabin right now, going at 100 kilometers an hour, we have a measurement of about 74 dBA. And if we hold it up to the roof, we get a bit higher values of 80. Oh, now it dropped. Oh, I can tell you the asphalt makes a big difference from the noise.
Yeah.
So when we move over the different areas here, it goes up and down. So now we are at 76. And at the roof, we have 80 to 81. Yeah, so let's go into max mode here and see what's the max noise level we have here and see if it will go any better. So up at the roof it's yeah, 80.4. And in the cabin we have a max of 77 when we have a bit worse conditions on the road.
This is quite quiet tarmac, but it's a little lower in pitch. So what kind of reading do you get?
Oh, here we are down to 73.
Okay, and up at the roof?
Still 80.
Okay. So we will drive again after we install it, and we drive exactly the same route as we did this time. All right, so the important thing is that it's as much tension this way as this way. And the reason for that is that if it's too loose here, it can vibrate when there's a lot of air flowing over. So, and if you're unsure, make sure it's more tension here than it is here. Okay, so let's see. Something like that, I think. And then you just press it down a bit. Okay. Important thing is you can't just slide it all the way over here. If you do that, you will end up with a lot of loose rubber band. I guess it's a rubber band. Yeah, rubber band over there. So what you have to do is to start a bit in, press it down, and then go this way, and just push it down. And over here, and push it down. Okay, and then we do it here. Same thing. Start a bit out and push it this way. And start a bit here, push it this way, and you see you get these small bubbles, but you can just push it down. It's much easier when they are this small. Okay, And let's continue. Push it down. Yeah. And over here. Now you can see it's a lot of tension here, so this won't go anywhere when there's air flowing here. Okay, so let's continue. Oh, this one is a bit too loose, so we have to tighten this one up a bit. Okay, so that's fixed, and then we push it down. Okay, so let's push these down. Yeah, and you just continue until everything is down. All right, so that's it. And now this is also has good tension. So it takes 2 minutes, 1 minute. You need to be 2 people to do the installation, and yeah, it's easy. Let's test it out. All right, so we have just installed the noise reducing rubber bandy thingy from Teslify, and we're going to check out if it helps.
It's just a rubber band.
Yeah, okay, rubber band. But yeah, let's see if it works. I think it doesn't sound as it is at high frequency as it was before. I think the pitch is a bit lower. Do you hear any difference?
No, not really.
No difference. But we're driving a bit faster now because we're on our way to turn back to drive on the same stretch of road. All right, so we are approaching the same stretch of road that we were driving on before without it installed. So yeah, could we get some readings?
Yeah, right now it is around 75.
All right.
Depends a lot on the asphalt. I can see whenever I see it's not different surface, the noise level changes.
If you measure up by the roof.
Yeah, there we have 80. Yeah, pretty much 80.
I might imagine, but I think it's not as a high pitch. But you don't hear any difference, do you?
No, I mean, to me, I'd say the noise from the road and the asphalt.
Yeah.
I mean, it's dominating.
Definitely dominating.
Yeah. So, if the Rubberband made any difference, it's on the margins. I mean, just between different versions of the asphalt surface and so on makes a lot more difference than what the Rubberband ever did.
Yeah, but we should also point out that we have quite noisy roads in Sweden, or at least where we live. So it might be different. This part is a bit more silent.
Yeah, so now it has dropped down to 72.
And I think it was 73 when we drove here last time.
I'll have to go back and check the video.
Yes, we'll check the numbers. But I think that's it's just a bit tiny bit quieter. All right, so there you have it. How to install the rubber band to maybe get a tiny bit of lower noise in the cabin. Me driving this car a lot, I imagine it's a bit lower pitch of the sound. But then again, as Fredrik said, it is the noise from the road is dominating. So make sure to check out teslify.se. They ship all over Europe, or EU I should say. And thanks for watching. Drive safely. See you in the next one.